education and sports other than USSA, which has made it very expensive and discouraging to small schools. I beg to stop here for the reading and we go to the corrections. Thank you for listening. Now, we can start from page 1. My co-secretary be helping me to read the corrections. Page 1, we have the heading, the agenda, item 1, item 2, and item 3. Anything to be corrected? Not there, go to page 2. Page 2, we have apologies, arbitraries, death, that we announced, and those who retired, the schools of those who retired. Is there anything to be corrected? MC will help you move with the microphone. So you are talking of career.
Thank you so much. Justin, the teacher, about SS. I'm responding. I'm taking members to the last paragraph, which reads the competition was made of the teachers of the following schools who were due to prepare before June 2025. We see number 3 is about SS. About SS, I'm still there. I think it was listed. It was listed.
Of the following schools who were due to by the one who is missing have been brought center. It was okay, right? When did you join ASSHU? Okay, then it's correct. Be crossed. So moving to page 3. We move to page 3. Yes.
I'm still on page 2. The apology to the that is the band name.
Okay, we have the word of the dead. For the dead. Okay, for the dead.
Who are writing for the blind. I show at the supposed to be for the dead.
So we move to page 3. Communication from the chairperson, which I think we got.
But 7,
We are on top. So that one has been collected. And we move on to page 4. Reports from the General Secretary, which was also written and circulated out. This is only the summary. Reading and correction of the previous page. Those who change their views, I paid 5 for corrections on that day, and it was corrected. Only this one, number 4, Mr. Barrow called it good school. Mr. Barrow called it was good school. Yes, that one has been noted. We never captured it. So we got reports from sectoral committees, which we are also bulky. They were bulky, and if you also have most of them a written report. So this is only the summary. The report was so brief, since the owner was and what did they didn't come in on that day. Not anything much on finance or from the treasury. So like okay. The second S, the double S in the middle one should be crossed throughout the document. You know, when a computer detects something now to be correct, it keeps on doing it throughout. Any other thing on page 8? After this first S there. That is why it became incorrect. Can we move on? The abbreviations there are clear. Last. So I think it is not on what I read. Those pages. Page 10. Yes. So you remove TS there at the head, then the balance remain correct. Remember, there was also a means that came into from science and it was removed. Yes. So that city education officer also. So that all the titles of the district official who supervisors are inclusive.